Day 2.
Balboa beginners.
The rhythm's quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow.
Out and in, out and in.
Footwork is quite petite. It's small.
So we're trying to move our whole body back and in towards our partner.
The right, the left, out and in, out and in.
One way,
out and
other
in,
way,
out, left and right, out and
side.
in, out and in. Making different shapes. We step on the outside of the marker. Maybe.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, side, out and side, out and side.
Crossovers.
Followers, we're not crossing our legs, we will step with our open to the side.
Out and cross. Out and cross. Out and cross. Quick, slow. Then we go outside in a triangle position and we rotate it a bit and we've got crossovers. There is some pivoting involved in this, but don't worry about it too much at the beginning. Out and cross to end it. Out and face, and then you just keep going.
Hello!
My name is Nicholas.
My name is Eglė.